Hello, welcome back to Mini Shorts. Today we're talking about A-panel removal. So what I need to do is get rid of the A-panels, leaving the thicker hinge panel in place. Now if I was just removing the A-panel, obviously we'd have to unpick here from the wing, this leftover piece of the wing, and then what I would do is I would grind this edge with an angle grinder, because the inner wing, this panel comes along here and then wraps around the hinge panel going in this direction, and then the A panel wraps around the inner wing. But because I'm replacing the inner wings, we can just cut all the way down this line here and across here. So this is the one from the other side. I'll have a show you very quickly. So what we did was we made this cut down here and then a little cut across here, being careful to be below where the new A panel will finish. You can see now this is the inner wing, well actually this is a repair panel on the inner wing. This is the original inner wing, this piece. This is the hinge panel, this thicker piece, but the inner wing comes round and then curves round, giving us this flat side here, and then the A panel goes round there like that. So this is the edge of the A panel, which I can pull away now that I've cut down here. There were a couple of little bits of weld that someone had put in. I can show you that from the inside, maybe. A bit dark in here. A couple of little bits of weld and a little tiny bit there, just to help hold it on, but they're coming apart really easily. But we just want to be left with the hinge panel eventually. But I'm not taking the inner wing off today. Won't be taking all of this off, so I need to leave that in place for strength until we've replaced some other parts, namely probably the dashboard rail. But anyway, you can see this is now hopefully just pull away all the way down. So I better carry on cutting away the other side. Obviously we're just using the angle grinder with the cutting disc and some safety glasses. Alright guys, that's all. Thank you. Bye.